I just ordered this kit, this plastic welding gun from Amazon. It was 20 bucks, ordered the other day. The reason I bought it is because this tab here and this tab here are broken off that hold the reverse switch in there. I figured for 20 bucks I'd give it a try, but I think it's not going anywhere. I mean, that's better than stock there. I mean, can't get much better than that. I'm definitely pleased with that. Just need to be careful. I did go through a little bit there, and I'll just melt that back down a little bit and get rid of those little pokey ones that poke through by accident. And I'm probably gonna end up putting a decal kit on this after I clean up this plastic, see how it looks. But for 20 bucks, I mean, that thing, it's not going anywhere. So I do have one tab on that one I got. I still believe I have the tab. I'm gonna do that one. And then those plastics will be 100% with the tabs, and then I'll probably need to redo that one a little bit. It looks like it's starting to break off, but I do have these other plastics over here that I'll probably send with the buyer. Debating on whether to put those ones on or these ones on, so figure it out when it's time. Still waiting on the rear diff. What else? I don't think that's going anywhere. Both pretty solid. I'll go ahead and give the plastic welder out of a 10 a 20. That did go through a little bit on the first try. Just went a little too hot, but you can see on the second one